Good afternoon. My name is Brad King. I'm a District Sales Manager with ALPINE in Eastern Ontario, and I'd like to talk to you today about the inner workings of the metering system of the ALPINE liquid manifold system. The heart of the system is the orifice. This particular orifice is a pink orifice. They all have numbers, but they're all color-coded to make life a lot more easier. The most important thing about these units is the right way to put them up. What we're looking at now is the top of the orifice. It has the little groove in the top there, you can see. That allows the fertilizer to flow through. When you put this orifice in the cap, you want to be looking at the groove, like that. Then, the other part of the metering system is the check and screen. This performs two functions. At the bottom here, you can see the screen, or in the bottom here, you can see the spring. The spring is the check valve. It takes 10 to 12 pounds to open that check valve, and that allows that, once the lines are full, when you pick up at the end of the row, as soon as you lift the unit up, it snaps shut. When you turn around to start your row again, that immediately, as soon as you set the planter down, it immediately pops open. It just needs 10 to 12 pounds of pressure to open up. So within a very short distance, just a matter of a couple of feet, you're putting on the right amount of fertilizer again. The screen here is the last protection for the orifice to prevent any foreign material, dirt or anything getting into the orifice to cause you grief. This check and screen goes on top of the orifice. It just snaps in, and your unit is complete. This whole unit is a twist lock, half twist, on the top of the manifold body. That simply sits on top, and you give it a half twist, and it's locked on, and then your blue hose gets threaded onto the top with the little black nut, and you're ready to go.